This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer apps from your old Android phone to your new. So this is easy to do. Let's go on over to the Google Play Store, tap on this icon. Then what we want to do is go to the top right to our profile. So let me just skip through all this stuff. Go to the top right. Then under here we can go to where it says Manage Apps and Device. Then we can go to where it says Manage. Now it says this device on the top. We can tap this. Now if we look at our other devices, we can see the installed apps on those devices. But if we go to not installed right here, if you deleted something off your Android phone, you can see all these different apps on there. So you can just go through all these right here and just check mark them, and you can re-download them back to your phone. So you can just download it right there, or you can just check your other devices too. If you got something on your other device that you want to go ahead and get on your current device. So you can see all the updates. I got to update those. But yeah, just go ahead and just check this out. Let's go to my Google Pixel right here. And then just go through this. And I can get this on here. So like this one, I should be able to just sync it and get it on my device. But go ahead and just look at this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.